Leo, please. We are your family. We have no home, no money. Have mercy.
We are so sorry for what we did. We were blind.
You didn't have mercy when you threw a 12-year-old boy into the rain. You didn't have mercy when you called my dreams trash.
But Leo, we are your blood.
No. Blood makes you related. Loyalty makes you family. Take them to the factory. Let them start from the bottom.
Dad, look! My mini water filter works! It can help poor people! Move, Leo.
You're blocking the TV. Why are you wasting time on garbage?
Ethan, look at this! Ink is all over my new white rug!
What? I didn't do that.
Leo did it. He said he hated your new rug, Mom. Mia, that's a lie! Why are you doing this?
Don't you dare yell at your sister. You are a disappointment, Leo.
And my diamond watch is gone too. I saw Leo near my jewelry box this morning.
I didn't take it. I was in my room all morning.
I'm done with this. I don't want you in this house anymore.
And take your useless gadgets with you.
Get out! Go find a new family who likes trash like you.
I am alone, but I won't give up. I will show them.
Why won't you work? 10 years of my life wasted on this clock. Sir, the gear in the back is placed incorrectly.
Who are you? A beggar?
Go away!
I'm not a beggar, I'm a mechanic. Let me try. If I fail, I'll leave. If I fix it, let me sleep in your shed.
I am Arthur. I'm a grumpy old man, but I know talent when I see it.
Stay here. I'll teach you everything. Leo finally found a place to call home. If you liked this video and believe in Leo's journey, comment 1. If
My engine just died. I have a $1 billion meeting in 20 minutes.
Don't worry, ma'am. I can fix this in 5 minutes.
Oh, look at his messy outfit. He's covered in oil.
It's Leo. Still stuck in this old shop, I see. What happened to those big dreams of yours? I'm building a future, Ethan. You should try it.
Keep quiet. This is worth millions.
Ma'am, you dropped something. Ethan, move your foot. Now!
Get lost, kid. I didn't see anything.
Here it is, ma'am.
You saved my engine and my legacy. And these designs, they are brilliant.
He's the best, Victoria. He's my son.
Leo, I am the CEO of VTech. I want to hire you, and I want to adopt you as my legal heir. Will you join our family?
You lost everything because you cared about money more than people. You chose Mia's lies over my truth. I see my mistakes now. Please, allow me a chance to fix what I've broken.
I am offering you a position as an employee, not as family. You will start at the ground level, maintaining the factory operations.
We are high society people. We can't clean floors.
Then the decision is yours. You either start from the foundation to rebuild, or you can leave.
We are proud of you, Leo. You chose kindness over revenge.
That's my boy.
Success is the best revenge. But the greatest victory is finding the family that loves you for who you are. Do you think Leo made the right choice by giving his biological father a job? If you like this video, comment 1. If not, hit the like button. See you in the next story.
so.
Plans are not for me going via consumer right now. Can you sell?
In this rain, there's Yuli.
I'm my coming sir.
Leo, we came outside. We see you've done well. We need help.
Help? After everything?
We were wrong, Leo. So wrong. We treated you terribly.
You were especially cruel, Mia. It's that time. I'm offering you a job. Not as family. As workers. You will start at the bottom. Cleaning the factory floors.
Clean floors? Us? We're not laborers.
These are the professional terms.
I hope you see the value in this opportunity. The decision is yours.
We.
Ikis pafis. We'll pacotinha. We'll do it. We're ready to start over.
You handled that perfectly, Leo.
You absolute monster! How could you betray us like this?
I didn't do anything. You're insane!
You did the right thing, Leo. True family is built, not just born.
Always proud of you, son.
I'm not sure what this is supposed to do.
It looks absolutely disgusting. Get it away from me.
This thing is completely unmanageable. I can't see anything through all this dust.
We are making more mess than we are cleaning.
They'll learn.
And you showed them mercy, Leo. That's what matters.
That's the spirit, son. Always leads with kindness.